gonna be fun. That was not an easy hike. But that view though.
Valley segment. Stop. That third hill.
More hiking to behold.
Stay tuned.
So we finally made it. We actually went a little higher than we thought we were last time. But the view is totally worth it though. That's a good stuff.
When I eat a York pepper patty, it feels like I'm standing on a giant frozen mountain top.
Not bad. Over here, just to mention, that's the Lockheed Martin facility. Aero Institute is over there, is where we currently do our NASA internship. The house, which is the neighborhood, is right over there. And yeah, it's a pretty good hike. So you have the Northrop Grumman over there too. Way in the distance, in the smog and the dust, you can see the Edwards Air Force Base, where the Armstrong Flight Research Center is also. But now, it's time to finish the hike down. So the noise you're hearing is it's the sound of the power lines, since we're pretty close to them. It's just the noise of the electricity flowing through. So we just made it down the hill finally. It's pretty dark. Luckily didn't come across any reptiles. I think it's time for food, video games. I think we can get some Chipotle. Yep. Good hike. Definitely more to come. This is why I can't take this guy anywhere. We made the mistake of making the trip up the hill again the day after, barely 24 hours later. But this time all the way to the top. So see if we can survive this freezing cold. Made it to the top, 7,000 feet, good to go.
Yeah!
Now for the treacherous trip back down the hill.